jumping on to share some information that I found necessary for owners and potential owners of condos or a home in an HOA to understand about the approved budget. Now, the approved budget is done at the end of each year, and the board members and the management office go through the invoices that were paid, go through the contracts that's on file for the association, and on that approved budget they have line items such as paying for management, like labor cost. You have repair and maintenance, so that's RM. You have for the light bill, you have for cable or internet, you have the lawn contract, you have security contract, and there's so many different other ones that I wouldn't be able to list all of them because not every association has the same line items. Now, you may have a line item on there that says special projects, and they put a little fund aside for little major emergencies. Now, if there is a major project such as replacing all the bumpers in the property, or you want to put extra cameras in because something happened, now you can't say that you pay so much money in maintenance and it should cover those cameras or those bumpers that you want to be placed in the parking lot to reduce the speed, because of the fact that was not estimated in the approved budget. That is when the board would have to sit down and decide if the money that is in that special project line, if it's not sufficient enough, if they should go and make a motion and then request for a special assessment to be passed to get the money that is needed to purchase those bumpers or those cameras or whatever that item is that owners are indicating that they want. So please go through your approved budget, see where your money is going to, understand what is being allocated to where, and if you have any questions, ask your board. If there's anything that I'm gonna do is tell you, please be a part of your board meeting. If it's on Zoom, go on Zoom. If it's in person, go in person. But be there, be involved. You're an investor in that property. Take the initiation, ask questions. Your board needs to be transparent. If not, you need to get a new board. If you like what I'm sharing with you, if you understand what I'm sharing with you, or if you don't and you would like for me to give you a little bit more understanding, leave a question. If you know there's someone that needs this information, please do share it with them. If you like it, press like. Thank you.